Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add live to your vocal recordings using this simple trick that I use for all my vocal recording sessions. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Now, before we get started, don't forget that you can join our Telegram community by simply clicking the link in the description below to get access to free monthly master classes that I hold live one-on-one in the Telegram group, in the Telegram community. You can even send in your songs, your beats, your projects for reviews, feedbacks. I also share kit loops and so much helpful resources and materials that will help you on this journey to becoming a better producer. All right, now let's get started with this lesson. This another technique I recommend. You allow the artist hear the whole song from start to end and just vibe all the way through. Then any ideas that you can salvage from that, fine. Sometimes maybe no ideas, you can take all of it out, but if there are, you can salvage some. So I'm going to allow you like from start to finish, record the whole thing.
Okay.
Any vibe that comes to your head, no matter how crazy, just vibe and put it out.
Okay.
You get me?
All right.
All right. So
Let's go.
I'm going to come here. You ready?
Yeah.
Put on the headphones, please.
Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Vibes and inshallah. Life is too short, while life. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Don't die. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make you go to the places you never go before. Make you do all the things you will never do before. Make you try all the things you will never try before. Make you go to the places you never go before. Make memories tonight. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Memories tonight. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die.
So let's listen to everything and see how it sounds. So we're going to have this at the lead vocal slot right here. Then we'll listen.
Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Make a call for la get to look at to me watch Fatima. Vibes and inshallah. Life is too short, while life. Make a call for la get to look at To me watch it, my Fatima. Make a go for like it to look at. To me watch it, my Fatima. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories. Memories don't die. Make a go for like it to look at. To me watch it, my Fatima. Make a go for like it to look at. To me watch it, my Fatima. Make you go to the places you never go before. Make you do all the things we will never do before. Make you try all the things we will never try before. Make you go to the places you never go before. Make memories tonight. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories. Memories. Memories don't die. Make a go for like it to look at. To me watch it, my Fatima. Make a go for like it to look at. To me watch it, my Fatima. Memories tonight. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Memories don't die. Yeah, yeah. Memories don't die. Yeah, yeah. Memories don't die. Yeah, don't die. Yeah, yeah,
I think that's great. So I kept that was a lot of vibe. So I
Is it?
kept this part in the verses, the repetition for Lake, Fatima, those parts I kept them in like virtually everywhere. Then this also.
Make a go for like it.
So those parts really had great vibes. So I kept them. All of that part, like in the chorus, I took them out. So
Yeah.
then even this support at this place here was
It's
a
not
bit too
needed.
busy, yeah. So I took them out as well.
Yeah.
So this is something else you can do to get the most out of your vocal recording session as well. All right then. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave us with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that people that need this video can easily find it right here on YouTube. And also feel free to check out more of my videos that will help you level up your music making skills. Cheers.